Please welcome to my past paper discussion. Under this video, we are going to discuss correlation and regression line. හැමෝම සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා මෙම වීඩියෝ වලින් අපි සහසම්බන්ධය සහ ප්‍රතිපායන රේඛාව ගැන සාකච්ඡා කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. But we'll go to the problem quickly. Read the problem carefully. The following data shows the number of hours studied X and the marks obtained by students. Hours studied X, marks obtained by. Consider provide information, draw a scatter plot and identify the type of correlation. Right. එතකොට මේක පළවෙනි කෙලෙස කියන්නේ scatter plot එක විස්තෘත සටහනක් ඇඳලා තියෙන සහසම්බන්ධයේ ආකාරය හොයන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. දානද positive or negative. Right. Okay. Maximum X is 6. Therefore, X up to 6. Maximum Y is 80. First scale is X up to 6, Y up to 80. Keep that in your mind and go for the graph sheet. I think the examination also you can ask graph sheets, especially ATI people. Right? Okay. Right. Then we can get the ruler here. Right. I go to do that one. With my ruler in the graph sheets, but even the examination use that graph sheets, right? Okay, right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Right, X up to 80, right. Y up to 6, I think, right? Okay, Y up to 6, right? Okay, rotate the ruler here, Y up to 6. Right from this corner, you can start scale things, right? Okay. 1 up to 6. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. Right. Again, I check my things, and these are the axes. 1 up to 6, right? Okay, 1 up to 6 is okay. Right. Then mark the scale. This is my 1. This is my 2. This is my 3. This is my 4. This is my 5. This is my 6. Right? We can terminate the axis from here. This is my X. And Y. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is my Y. This is my X. Right. Then go to coordinate from scatter plot axis are this, right? Okay. Marks will provide for correct axis also, right? If you like, you can write the names also, right? Study time and marks obtained. First one is 230. X2, Y30. පළවෙනි දත්තේ තියෙන X දෙකක් වෙනකොට Y 30ක්. X2, Y30. Right. Come to the graph 230. X2, I call it coordinate geometry, right? X2, X සමානයි 2යි, Y සමානයි 30යි. X2, Y30, somewhere here. Don't join this one. This is my first point. Right. Second point, X3, Y40, X3, Y40, X3, Y40, point here. Now this is okay. X4, Y50, point is here. This is okay. X5, Y70, somewhere here. Right. X6, 1 by 80. Right. Don't draw this one. You just connect this one. If you connect this one, it will be line graph. Asked for a draw scatter plot. ఇప్పుడు మీకు యాకరండి పా మేటికి ఉతరాయండి రైట్ ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్ ద షేప్ headache thought, right? Upward trend, not exactly straight line, upward trend. Therefore, draw scatter plot, do not highlight part, identify type of correlation. The identification will indicate using the highlight part, and therefore, this is upward, that is positive correlation. You know, make a identify the type of correlation is positive correlation, positive correlation, correlation. If you get the other direction, it is a negative correlation. But this is a scatter plot. That means x increase, y also increase. Or x come down, y also come down. This is positive correlation. Right. Second part, calculate the correlation coefficient R. They will call it R value. Right. Third part, regression line with the binary plan, right? The table calculation for the correlation coefficient and regression line we can do simultaneously. වගු ගණනය කිරීම අපිට එකවර කරන්න පුළුවන් correlation එකට ප්‍රතිපායන රේඛාවට. Right. I need to get second part, correlation coefficient, right? So xy I put here, this is 230, 340, 450. I predefined my table, right? Therefore, I can save my time, right? In the examination, you write this examination, right? 570, 680, right? Correlation coefficient R, right? Include second part R include various formula, right? Okay, this is sigma xy n x bar y bar square root sine. Some student may study different formula, right? Okay, sigma x2 n x bar 2 second square root sine sigma y square n y bar 2. Right, some ATIs, they may study different formula, right? But the table calculations are same. We need xy, sigma for xy, so we need sigma x2, we need sigma y2. Therefore, we need to form this one. You can use your calculator. 2 into 30. දෙකවරක් තිය 60. Right. 3 into 40. 120. 120. 4 into 50. 200. 5 into 70. 350. 6 into 80. 480. x2. 2 to the power 2. 4. 3 to the power 2. 9. 4 to the power 2. 60. 5 to the power 2. 25. 6 to the power 2. 36. Y to the power 2. 30 to the power 2. 900. 4 to the power 2. 1600. 50 to the power 2. 2500. 70 to the power 2. 4900. 8 to the power 2. 64,000. For each column, you have to get the sum, right? 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 20. This is sigma x, right? This is 15, 20, 27, 270. check my value. Sir, I am going to double check it, right? Sigma y. I will check the second column again. 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 270. Okay, right. Next one. 60, 120, 200, 350, 480. This is 1210. 1210. This is sigma xy. 1210. Sigma xy. Next one. 4, 9, 16, 25, 26. This is 90. And what? 90. This is sigma x2. We need this sums for regression line also, right? 900, 1600, 2500, 4900, 6400. This is 16,300. 16,300. 16,000, right? 16,300. 16,300. This is sigma by 2. Right now, come to the formula. I need x bar, y bar also. Right. X bar, y bar calculation. X bar sigma x divided by n. Sigma x 20 divided by 5 integers. This is 4. Now x bar is okay. Y bar sigma y divided by n. This is 270 divided by 5. I think this is 54. X bar, y bar, okay. It's available here, 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 here. Sigma xy is here, right? Everything, right? But my advice is when you do the calculation, part by part, do the calculation. If you do so, error rate is very low. Kotasin course gattot walage error rate kitanu anvinava. Right. R R R sigma xy 1210 in 5 x bar 4 y bar 54. My recommendation is do your calculation part by part. Right? First square root side. Palavini varga moola lakuna. First square root side. Sigma x2, that is 90 minus 5, 4 to the power 2. Second square root side. Sigma y 16,300 minus 5, 54 to the power 2. Term by term, quotient. This one separately without 10 roots, separately, part by part, do your calculation. 1210, 1210 minus 5, 454. It is 130. Check my values. 130. First square root side. 90 minus 5 into 4 to the power 2. that is 10, square root 10. Second square root side, 16,300 minus 5 into 54 to the power. This is 1,720. 1,720. Please check my values. Sometimes I may get errors, right? Okay, those are enough. Right. This combination, calculate, type in the calculator correctly. Hurry to calculate type. Well, this is how you have typed in the calculator. 130 divide, open a bracket, square root 10, right? Square root 1720. Close the bracket and equals scientific calculator. Right? 180 divided by, open a bracket, square root 10 into square root 1720. My amount is 99. My amount is 0.9912. Englishman name. Englishman name. Right. Sometimes I may get error, but procedure is correct, right? Remain array. Right. This is the thing asked to get in the second part. They will course right? Correlation coefficient RSS, but various formula available. The formula that you study you can apply, but the table coefficient doesn't change. Wagyu when swimming. Right. Okay. Last part, regression line, right? But in my candy paper, I taught you a simple way to remember the regression lines. Right, regression line. Regression line, right? Y equal A plus Px. Right, y is a variable, x is a variable. My first formula is, first equation is, we put sigma where it appear variable. Therefore, first formula is sigma y. Absence of variable put in A. B and x is a variable. This is how I taught you to remember this. Right. Second equation will be multiply this by x and put sigma where it appears variable. Right. This one will provide sigma y 270. This year had there in 5a sigma x b into 20 b into 20. But we are not keeping the simultaneous equation like the samagami samikara. Therefore, 5a 20b equal 270. This is my first equation. Second equation, multiply this by x. X waliin wadi karanta. xy, it's a variable. Therefore, we put sigma. Ax, x also variable, sigma x. Next, multiply by x, b x to the power 2. Therefore, sigma x2. Right, from the table, Bagwe, Adeshikaranta, sigma xy, 1210. Sig A into sigma x, that is A into sigma x. Sigma x is 20. B into sigma x2, 90. Right, like the previous one, change the sides. 20A, 90B equal 1210. Now, no more repetition like O-level simultaneous samaga. Right. Easy to eliminate A, multiply first one by Palavinia. හතරෙන් වැඩි කරලා අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් 20. එහෙනම් first one multiplied by 4. All multiplied by 4. This is 28. 20 into 4. 80. 270 into 4. 270 into 4. That is 1080. 1080. This is third equation. Right. Now they are equal. You can subtract. When you subtract, highest minus smallest. Very current. Right. From the second equation, subtract the third equation. Second equation, 20a 90b minus 20a 80b. Right hand side, 1210 minus 1080. Right. Please check my simplification. Now remove the brackets. Parahani baat karani. 20a 90b. This is minus 20a minus 80b. 1210. 1210 minus 1080. This is 130. Right. Then 20 will cancel out. This is 10b equal 30, 130. Therefore, b equal 13. This is the first variable, b equal 13. Now you can substitute that 13, one of the equation. My feeling is first equation is little bit AC. පළවෙනි සමීකරණය ලේසි වගේ. From the first equation, පළවෙනි සමීකරණයට එනවා 5a 20 into b 13. This is equal 270. Right. What is this? 13. Oh, 13 කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ. 13 we put here. Right. Then 5a, this is 260, 270. Right. Bringing that 260 to the right hand side. 5a 270, 260. Right. My language is not difficult. All our numbers. This is a equal to. So my second one is a value is 2. Now we found a and b. Therefore, the regression line in the regression line occur. Therefore, the regression line. Therefore, the regression line y equal a plus x y a 2 b 13 is the regression line. Some problems they ask find the value of y when x equal 10. Sometimes they ask find the value of x when y is provided to you. සමහර අවස්ථාවල x වලගේ දීලා y වලගේ හොයන්නේ. සමහරලාට අපේක්ෂිත y වගේ හොයන්නේ. සමහරලාට අපේක්ෂිත x වගේත් හොයන්නේ. Right. I think you enjoy my video, right? But don't consider the language as difficult one. භාෂාව අමාරු කියලා හිතන්න එපා. All our numbers. Watch my video clip again and again. And please subscribe to my channel also, right? ඒකට මම හිතනවා ඔයාලට පැහැදිලි වෙන්නේ නැති නැවත නැවත බලන්න ඉංග්‍රීසි අමාරු කියලා හිතන්න එපා. ඔයාලට මේක කරගන්න කියලා. right? අපි නැවත හමු වෙනත් වීඩියෝ එකකින්.